Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video I'll be showing you guys how you can create this awesome 3D text effect on CapCut PC. Go to text and add in your default text, and I'm just going to type in the number 18 for instance, adjust the font size, and I'm also going to change the font as well. You don't have to, but I prefer a bold font. Okay, maybe not that. I'm trying to find one first, so okay, I guess this one could work. Then you're just going to add in a stroke and select the white color, and you're going to actually make the inside a dark color. Hold on, let me just enable that. There you go. Also just a thickness to like a very small thickness. Then you're just going to copy and paste that, and you're just going to move it to the left side, and as you can see it won't be like see-through. So what you're going to do, right click, create compound clip, blend mode, and choose the brighten one, and you'll be able to see the inside part of the text. Then you're just going to copy and paste that a lot of times to create the effect like that. And you can adjust it by like even going like downwards a little bit if you like to, or you can just leave it straightforward like this. And that's it. Super simple. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any questions, just leave it in the comment section down below, and I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!